Welcome to the in front of me TCL 30, and I'll show you that the device comes with their protective case inside the box. So here we'll just check that. We have a lot of paperwork, and unfortunately we have not here any paperwork, any cases protective. Sorry, as can you see, we have only the just USB cable, the charger brick, a lot of the specs, the SIM jack tool, and unfortunately we have no the protective case. And if you want to use the protective case together with your TCL device, you should buy the case separately. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.